Hello guys, I don't want to be loud because my baby is still sleeping. Well, I'm trying to do some makeup. I'm gonna do her hair, then do mine later on. Hi guys, I missed you. It's been long since I vlogged and I feel really bad. But I am back. So let's start. I don't know if you guys can see. I gotta get another job. I washed her hair yesterday, so it's clean. I just tied it up, but she has very soft hair. It always like do this. Uh-oh. See how soft her hair is? I don't even struggle. I just have to struggle with the curls. You have to take it away. Oh, by the way, I've never shaved my baby's hair. I guess that's why she has like completely different type of hair from mine. And I've also never straightened her hair. They've done it once when she was at the salon. They just combed it with the hair dryer, but I told them not to do that again. I was not around because I don't like that. Um, blow drying is not, I don't think it's healthy for hair. And I like her hair being healthy and natural, just like that. I have no problem working with that. I hope you can hear me. I don't want to talk too loud because our daddy is sleeping. I don't want to wake him up. We slept so late. He slept extremely late. So that's the amount of hair that comes out. You want monkey? Yeah. So I'm just going to divide her hair or to part it into different sections. Then I'll tie it down. Wait, I'll show you. Wow, I'm sweating. It's hot. Okay, so I'm done parting her hair, but I've not made it neat yet. I want to make it neat. Look down. Look down. Green, yeah, green, yellow. Okay. Green, yellow. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. So let me show you how I'm going to make it neat. I'm going to use this molding gel wax to lay it down. Now let me see it, please. I forgot to get the rubber bands, so I don't know how long this will last, but I wish I did. Not too much, don't go like crazy, just laying it down. Plus her hair is so soft. If I put a lot, it will be like too waxy. So here guys, I'm just like laying it down with the wax. Yeah, that's daddy's hat. I'm just laying it down and then like making sure the lines are neat so that it looks good. I twist it kinda and then tie it down so it's like really tight at the bottom, not too tight but nice. So this is how it looks like. So here I just go around the whole head, knitting, making it look neat, the lines to look neat, and to make all the sections all around the head before I attach or braid down with the braids that I got. Okay.
Hi, mommy.
I'm done parting her hair. Now it's time to put the thing.
She had to. I heard you say some time ago. Cries of repentance. Cries of worship. Cries of warfare. For 6 hours a day.
Mom, I want my cartoon.
Okay, let me finish. I only have 2 left, okay?
Worship.
Okay, baby.
Worship. 6 hours.
Right here I am just like showing you the last how I attach the braids. The extended hair, I just braid it down with the braids that I cut short the braids so like they're not too long, and then I braid it down. Bend.
And so, she's a worshiper. Can you let her join and